Hi, my name is Jeremy Shaw. I'm with Intralox, and we're here at IBIE 2022. We're going to be highlighting several of our latest innovations in the bakery industry. One of those that we'd really like to showcase is our AIM Glide system, which is our newest revolutionary product for the baking industry. This technology replaces a lot of the inherent challenges that we see in typical slat switch technology, really focusing on reliability and safety. So eliminating a lot of the heavy guarding that was on those previous technologies, provides the reliability, quick access to get back up and running, and also improved from a sanitation perspective as well. So we're really excited to be here, happy to have everybody, and we appreciate everybody coming out.